and welcome back to you. It's right at 5:15, getting you up and early out the door. It is chilly again. It's cold across the area, and now we do have some upper 30s on the North Shore. It's taken a couple hours for temperatures to drop, but down to 39 now in Bogalusa, 38 Macomb. We're still hanging on to the upper 40s across the metro. And today, like yesterday, we're really not going to warm up a lot. Temperatures are going to stay in the upper 50s, but with sunshine, should be a nicer day. And the winds are eventually going to relax. They're still breezy this morning, but they won't be as noticeable later on. Now, winds are calmer later on tonight. We've got clear skies. If you know anything about what we call radiational cooling or efficient cooling, that just means it's going to be colder tonight. We have freeze warnings in effect north of the lake, anywhere from I-12 to the north. A freeze is looking more and more likely late tonight. It also includes Slidell down into far eastern St. Tammany Parish, and that's because the Pearl River Basin is slower and cold air is denser than warm air, so it pulls in those lower areas. So if you live anywhere near the Pearl River, you are more than likely going to see a freeze tonight. Here's what I'm forecasting. Find your town. That's what I think you'll wake up at tomorrow morning. 32 across Pearl River County from Picayune to Poplarville. Bogalusa's 32, Franklinton's 32, Hammond 33, and then notice closer to the mid-30s along I-12, but that's still enough to support frost, so protect plants on the North Shore. South Shore, I'm not really thinking you need to worry about any plants, but make sure your pets have somewhere warm to be. We're going to be in the 40s by tomorrow morning. And then in the Bayou parishes, we're probably going to see some upper 30s from Houma, Raceland, Lockport, Gramercy, Thibodaux, anywhere in St. James Parish into Upper Lafourche. A frost is certainly looking possible. And then you start to get into the 40s and 50s the closer you get to our coastal areas. Notice Buras waking up at 52 tomorrow morning. So here's what I'm doing. If I live north or west of the lake and I have some lovely little plants I don't want to lose, I'm going to protect them tonight. I'm going to throw them in the garage. I'm going to throw a sheet over them. If you've got Christmas lights on, remember you can put the Christmas lights near them and those will put off a little bit of heat. That will help out too. South Shore, you just need to make sure your people and pets are safe. This is the final night of freezing temperatures, though, in the 7-day. We're going to warm up. But here's the bigger story. The end of the week is the rain. We've got rain in the forecast on and off for multiple days. So here's the timing of all that. Not much today, not much happening tomorrow. And even Thursday morning, storms are still out west. But as we go Thursday evening into Thursday night, here come the showers and storms. And then as we get into the day on Friday, the front moves in, stalls out. Probably drier Friday afternoon, but then here comes round two into late Friday night and Saturday morning. Cold front hanging out with us, which means we're not going to clear out very quickly. So may not even see showers into Sunday. Right now, I'm feeling more confident with 2 to 4 inches widespread between all those days, but there is probably going to be a few spots that do pick up slightly more. So your 7-day forecast, it really has a little bit of everything for you. Cold the next couple of days, rain and storms moving in throughout Friday, Thursday night into early Friday morning, and then another round of rain into Saturday. And then notice as we get into Sunday and Monday, the rain chances begin to decrease, and we kick off next week with another cold one. Your marine forecast, things looking pretty good today and tomorrow, but that chop will pick up on Thursday.